Hey, it's Jack. Thursday. No, I got asked again about the Fed, the reaction, so forth and so on. And so I'm just going to tell you. Now, whatever the Fed does has nothing to do with the stock market. Nothing. Now, that's not just my opinion, that's a fact. Okay. Last Tuesday, I was telling you that here we're talking about a rate cut on Tuesday. We didn't know how big it was going to be or if there was even going to be one, but we were expecting one. And that happened the same day that the Dow Jones hit a new 52-week high, the highest price in 52 weeks, the highest price it's been in a year, in the face of the highest interest rates in 23 years. Now, none of that goes together. None of that is supposed to be the case, but that's a fact, okay? So 30-some years, 40 years I've been in the market, they're always hyping and hammering on the Fed. The Fed doesn't mean shit to the stock market, okay? I got more faith in Thurston Howell from Gilligan's Island than I do in Jerome Powell as Fed chairman. So it doesn't matter to me what he does, and it shouldn't matter to you because, as I just told you, the facts of the matter are the Fed, despite how much Wall Street and the financial media wants you to hang on every word, the Fed doesn't matter. All right? Now, why is that? Well, it's because the stock market is not the economy. So all this bullshit that people pay attention to is just a complete waste of time. Speaking of waste of time, yesterday, you know, that Fed announcement was coming out at 2 p.m., right, Eastern time. I was catching some of the biggest rainbow trout of my life on a stream behind Vail, Colorado. Unbelievable. So, you know, I wasn't paying attention to Powell. Right, I would come home, watch Gilligan's Island. Maybe I'll watch Thurston Howell, but forget Jerome Powell. Now look, you don't have to hang on that. I was just looking at some more data today. Some guys trying to shove down my throat. I do not pay attention to that economic data because the stock market is not the economy. All right, market's making new highs, and it's going to go higher probably. Now here's the other thing I got to tell you. I saw some of the smartest people act the stupidest this week, right? Even some people that I guess I'm not going to name names, but what they were doing was they wanted to wait until the announcement came out to do their trade, right? So they got a trade they want to do, but they're going to wait. Let me wait. What the hell wait does for you? Anybody that waited to do the trade until after the Fed announcement just paid a whole lot more to get into that stock today. The market's up 400 some points, right? How stupid is that? So look, it's stupid to wait on a Fed decision. It's stupid to even pay attention to a Fed decision. Just free your mind. Look, we're in a stock picker's market, and that's going to be the case for a long, long time. Not all stocks are going to work. We're going to be in a stock picker's market. So if you stay with stocks in trends that have good liquidity and are optionable, you'll always have opportunities to make money, and you won't have to pay attention to all the bullshit everybody else pays attention to. Free yourself up, have a good life, trade, and make some money.